So we all care about our paint jobs, and we all know automotive paint is fragile and can be easily damaged by stuff you can't avoid, like bird poop, bug splatters, and rock chips. But one of the most common ways to scratch your car can happen while you're working on it in the garage. You're leaning over a car like this, zippers, your belt buckle, rivets in your jeans, dirty extension cords that have just been drug across the garage floor, drips of brake fluid. All that can easily do damage to your paint before you know it, and that's what makes spending a couple bucks to pick up the Eastwood 3-piece fender cover set a no-brainer for any automotive enthusiast. These are made from a durable and lightweight vinyl on the exterior side. That's a great barrier from any scuffs or scratches, and it's easy to clean off any drops of fluid or dirt that get onto the cover. Now, on the flip side, they have a thick, soft cotton lining that's going to be safe to press into your clear coat with no damage. The set includes 3 pieces, one large 47 by 25.5 inch cover that's intended for the front bumper and grille area, and there's 2 41 inch by 25.5 inch covers. They're intended for the fenders, and they have a shape that easily allows access to the wheel well, really like that. Now, you can pick these up as a set, which is pretty budget friendly as is, or you could buy the side fender covers individually if you prefer. Regardless, Eastwood backs these fender covers with a 1-year warranty. Some other things I really like about these are not the slip resistant kind that just sort of drapes over the fender and uses its own weight to hold itself there. These lock in place in 2 ways. You have some nylon hooks at the top, very good thinking, easier on paint than metal hooks would be, just in case they do happen to touch. And they have a little bit of elasticity in the loops there as well. Secondly, you get 3 magnets sewn into the cover along the top edge. Now, you can easily cut those out if you prefer, and I would if I had carbon fiber or aluminum fenders, but I do really like those. Really locks the cover in place and keeps them there. Set it and forget it. A couple of other things to look out for when you're buying fender covers. You want to make sure all the tags are on the exterior side of the cover, which these come with no tags installed at all. That would scratch your paint. And also, you want to make sure that the stitching on the side here and the seam is nice and soft. There's nothing hard or scratchy in these, which is exactly what you want. Side note, these pair fantastically with the rubber tool tray set we offer. These really help keep the engine bay better organized and also won't scratch anything in the engine bay. And with all 3 fender covers in place, you can see the front end of our Fox body has great coverage, allowing us to work in the engine bay from any angle. Press the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're giving away a MiG 180 welder at 500,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you check out our channel as well. We post tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. We'll have the fender covers linked below. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm JD. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.